Okay, hi everyone. Thank you for clicking on Funfill Ventures. We had a huge snowstorm last night. As you can see, look at a huge snowstorm. A lot of trees broke. I'll show you all the trees that broke. Look at that. It's almost falling off. So I'm filming on my mom's phone right now, and look at that. Okay, this is one of the trees that broke down. The snow is all the way to my knees. I'll show you, this is gonna fall down. I'm gonna have to do it after. Look at that. Look at that right there. That's gonna fall down. It's not down right there, but it's gonna fall down. So, there's two trees. I'm guessing it's two trees that fall. Look, it all broke down. So, and then look at all the branches. This one. Look at this one. I'm not going close because I don't want it to snap on me. Because it's not broken yet. Okay, and then that's the big one right there. And then there's going to be another big one, but not now. There's brushes that fell right there. But that's nothing. This is the big one. One of the big ones. Right here. Look at that. This all fell down. Look at that. Our swing broke. So I'll go over here. Look at our cedars. Our cedars are all broke. Look at that. Big branch that broke right there. Look at that. Okay, look how the deepest. Deep. Okay, now this branch broke, but that's nothing. But look at our cedars. They're all down. Our cedars are all. Look at that. Look at our cedars. Our cedars are all down and stuff. And this is crazy. Last night was crazy. This broke down right there. Some trees that broke down too. There's this one, this big one here. But we're cutting the apple tree. This is our apple tree, but we're cutting it because it's breaking all of our small trees here. So we have to cut it down. Look how deep! Oh my gosh. I'll go back. Look how deep the snow is. You see me? That's how deep it is. Okay, so I'm gonna back up here. So those are some trees that fell down too, our little trees. That's the big tree. It fell down. See that? It all fell down. Look at that crack there. So yeah, that's happened. And over there. And over there. That's what happened. So I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go take all the snow off my trees. Try and make sure they don't snap down. Okay? See you in the next video. Thank you for clicking on Funfill Ventures. Always remember to love one another like who they are. Be kind to another and always respect one another. Peace out. God bless.